Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today we've got a new product to review on my desk. It's a 360 Bluetooth speaker. That means this speaker can produce a 360-degree omnidirectional sound. That's awesome, right? It's made by this company called Zaap and the model is Boombox 1. It's a wireless Bluetooth 4.1 speaker. Let me show you its features. It produces 360-degree surround sound, gives 15 hours of music playtime, has a built-in mic and also has NFC support on it. So these were its features. You also have a picture of the speaker on the box. Let's check out what's written on it. Oh, it also has a touch control system, a rotatable volume control knob, and a stylish fabric mesh. You've got the specs over here. It's got a cylindrical design with stereo speakers. The Bluetooth version is 4.1 and the operating range is 10 meters. The frequency response range is from 180 Hz to 20 kHz. The impedance is 4 ohms and the rated power is 12 watts. It also has a passive bass radiator, dual connection methods, supports NFC, the battery capacity on the speaker is 2600 mAh, the music playtime is around 15 hours and the charging time is 4 to 5 hours. So these were its specs. The price on the box says 6,000 rupees, but it's available for around 3699 on Amazon. So that was our overview on the box. Now let's get started with the unboxing. The outer cover slides out like this and we've got another box inside that says Zaap at the top. Let's open the box. It says thank you for choosing our product. That's very nice of them. Alright, on opening the box we've got some documents at the top. It's a user manual and a warranty card. Now make sure to read it for all the info on the product. And below that we've got the Bluetooth speaker. Let me take it out. It comes nicely packed and is quite big in size. So here it is, the Zaap Boombox 1. It has a full black look and feels solid in the hand, easily weighs around 660 grams. The build quality of the speaker looks nice. We'll check it out in a moment. First let's see what else is in the box. You get a USB cable for charging the speaker and a 3.5mm to 3.5mm audio cable. So these are all the items you got in the package. Now let's check out the speaker. The Zaap Boombox 1 has a cylindrical design that's covered with soft nylon mesh which feels comfortable to hold in the hand. The build quality looks premium. At the top you've got some special controls. It has a touch panel over here. First let me peel the sticker. There you go. The panel looks very smooth and has a glossy finish on it. You've got the Zaap logo and there's also this rotatable wheel to adjust the speaker's volume level. The wheel feels very smooth and has a gear type movement. Now let me tell you about the speaker. The Boombox 1 is a stereo Bluetooth speaker, has two 6-watt speakers plus a passive bass radiator, so the total output sums up to 12 watts. And since it has a cylindrical design, it produces a 360-degree omnidirectional sound. You've got some info here on how to pair it with your phone. At the bottom it has a rubber foot pad, a power button at the center and NFC spot beside that. On the side of the speaker there's a rubber flap which on removing exposes the aux port and the micro USB port. So these are all the controls and the interface ports. Now let's power it on and see if it's got some juice in it. You need to press the power button for about 2 to 3 seconds to power it on. And when you're pairing it for the first time, you need to press the power button for about 5 to 6 seconds until the LED starts blinking in blue color. Now let's pair it with my phone. Let me turn on Bluetooth and search for it. There you go, we've got the Zaap speaker in the list. Let's click on it and that's done. Now let's play some music and check out the audio quality. The audio quality was really good. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals felt warm and mellow, you can clearly understand the dialogues, the treble quality was also okay, and coming to the bass was rich and punchy. The passive bass radiator was doing a good job. You'll definitely like the audio quality on the speaker for the price you're paying. The Boombox 1 has a cylindrical shape and when placed in the center of the room, it produces a nice 360 sound effect. The speaker is also quite loud and is more than enough to have a party in a mid-sized room. The TRHD was also less, up to 80% volume level, beyond which you can feel slight distortion in the audio. Now let me show you how the touch controls work on it. The touch panel is at the top of the speaker. You can pause the music by touching the central area. The panel was sensitive and worked perfectly almost all the time. And by swiping left or right on it, you can change the music tracks. Just like this. And the volume can be increased or decreased by rotating this wheel. The controls on the speaker were unique and user-friendly. The quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. Talking about the battery life was decent. On an average, I was getting around 10 to 11 hours of music playtime at 80% volume level. and charging the speaker took about 3.5 hours. So that was my review on the Zaap Boombox 360 Bluetooth speaker. It's a good Bluetooth speaker. The build quality looks premium, the audio quality is nice. I really like the touch control and the way you interact with the speaker. It costs about 3,699 and is available on Amazon. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can get it from there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.